Hello traders, my name is Plamen and again you are with our weekly forecast and we are going to take a look at the currency pairs that we are looking at and we are going to see the news that are coming this week. This is going to be a very volatile week, so without further ado, let's begin and let's take a look at the news, the economic calendar this week. Today on Monday we already had a Germany manufacturing PMI which made some mm, impact on the market and we had some good movements. Today also we have the S&P Global US Services PMI. We don't think that probably this is gonna make some movements, but we'll see. On Tuesday there is only the consumer confidence for the US dollar, but on Wednesday look what we got here. We got building permits, new home sales, the crude oil inventories, the FOMC statement, and look at this, the Fed interest rate decision. Again, the expectations are that the rate decision is gonna increase with 0.25 points and it will go to 5.50%. Also, there is the FOMC press conference and this is gonna be a massacre, as we said. You have to be careful. If you have some open trades before this news, it's good to close them or to secure them to take some profits. And we are gonna see what is gonna happen. On Thursday, there is the deposit facility rate and the interest rate decision for the euro. As you can see, they also are planning to increase the rate decision with 0.25 points. And later that day, there is the press conference of the European Central Bank. And again, for the United States, we have the core durable goods orders, the gross domestic product, and the initial jobless claims. Also, the pending home sales. So, Wednesday and Thursday, there is going to be a lot of volatility on the market, and you have to be careful what trades you're entering. On Friday, we have the Bank of Japan press conference, the German CPI probably will make some movements with the currency pairs with the euro, and later that day the core PCE price index for the US dollar and the core price index on a monthly base and on the year base. So guys, you have to remember Wednesday and Thursday there is going to be a lot of volatility and you have to be careful with the trading. Okay, now let's move to the charts and let's see what to expect from the currency pairs. Okay, as usual, we are going to take a look at the picture from the last week, what we expected. And this is the euro to US dollar. As you can see, after this strong impulse wave, we were expecting some retracement. And as you can see, the price started to make the expected retracement. Now, the analysis from the last week is still the same. We are expecting the price to push back either from the trend line or from this high over here, this swing level, because here you can see we have a lot of imbalance that is not filled yet. So the analysis is exactly the same. On the daily time frame, we are expecting the price to continue to the swing level, to see some confirmation, probably consecutive point or some of the levels of Fibonacci, and then to see a new movement, new bullish impulse wave, which probably will gonna reach first this high and then the weekly level, which is at 1.15. And this is for the euro to US dollar on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, after the strong impulse wave, now the price is making a very good down movement. And if we consider that this is a new impulse wave, some little side movement, probably this is starting a new impulse wave, there is a chance the price to reach these highs over here, to retest them, and to see new bullish movement. But we are in the summer and the price is making a better movements on the daily time frame. They are much clearer and probably we are gonna see a little more falling of the price to the swing level and then new up movement. This is what we expect for the euro to US dollar. And let's move to pound to US dollar. Let's take a look at the picture. Just 1 second. Okay, so this is the code. Pound dollar. Okay. Again, pound dollar, pretty much as the euro to US dollar. This is on the daily time frame. And as you can see, after this strong impulse wave, we were expecting a retracement. Here we have a new daily trend line, and there is the result. The price made the expected retracement. Now it's reaching the Fibonacci 50% and probably 61.8. So there is a good chance here, if we see some engulfing candle right now, we may see a very strong up movement, first to this high and then probably to, let me see, minus 27 to these highs over here. And after that at the level 1.36, which is these highs over here. This is on the daily time frame. If we take a look on the 4-hour time frame, it is pretty much the same. There you can see the price is reaching the trend line. And now with some engulfing candle, there is a good chance the price to continue to go up. Also, I have to show you there is already a divergence here, and this tells us and it shows that the price probably is about to end its retracement, and we are gonna see new up movement right here. Okay, let's move to euro to Japanese yen. This is the picture. It was on the daily time frame. Okay. So, as we said, here we also had a very strong impulse wave and a retracement. And we said that there is a good chance the price to continue to go up, to break this high over here and to break the weekly level and to continue to go up. Well, from here the price starting to make the new impulse wave, but now it couldn't break this high over here and it's starting to make a down movement. And what we can expect for the upcoming week? We can see that here we had a double top pattern which was on the 4-hour time frame, but now the price is making something like a bigger double top pattern which is on the daily time frame, and as you know the daily time frame is stronger than the 4-hour time frame. So if here the price make something like this, where is my path? If it breaks this low over here, probably we can see some retest here and we are gonna see a new down movement. This is the one option. The second option is, which is on the lower time frame. Let me show you. On the lower time frame, here we are in an uptrend. You can see we have a consecutive point, and there is a chance the price to make a candlestick formation here, some engulfing candle or morning star, and to see a new up movement from the trend line. The other option is the price to reach this point of interest, which is on the 4-hour time frame, and from here with a confirmation, also with a divergence probably it's gonna happen, we can see another up movement right here. But if we don't see this pushback from the trend line, from the Fibonacci or the point of interest, probably the price is gonna start to go down to make a bearish impulse wave, and probably we are gonna see a very strong down movement, which is by this double top right here. Okay, this is for euro to Japanese yen. Let's move to pound yen. Let's see what we expected last week. This is on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the price was over here. We said that we are expecting the price to continue to go up to reach this point of interest, which is on 1 hour, but it didn't reach. As you can see, it started to go up. And now, after this triangle pattern here, it made manipulation. It broke down and started to go up. This happened on Friday. We don't know what happened exactly, but as you can see, this is a strong bullish candle. And what we can expect for the upcoming week? Well, there is still a chance the price to make an up movement to reach this point of interest. We made it on the 4-hour time frame, and to see a down movement. But this is not a very clear what exactly is going to happen, because on the daily time frame there is also a chance that pound yen will make a double top pattern. And there are two chances here. The first one is to make a down movement to reach this daily trend line, and if we see a pushback, probably a new bullish impulse wave, it's gonna happen. But if the price breaks this trend line and this neckline of the double top pattern, probably we are gonna see a retest and another down movement. Okay, these are the options that we expect for the pound to Japanese yen. Let's go to euro to Australian dollar. This is the picture from the last week. Okay, as we said, here we saw a flag pattern, and there is a good chance the price to go up. As you can see, this arrow is from the last week, and the price couldn't break with the candle with the body up above this high over here. And now the analysis is on the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that the price is making a new bullish impulse wave, a retracement, and it started to go again up. But we saw that the price is pushing back from this supply zone right here. And now the analysis is that pushing from this supply zone, the price will reach this demand zone over here. And with a divergence probably, just like this, we may see a pushback from the demand zone and another up movement. This is the thing that is going to happen. This is our analysis. The second option is if the price breaks all these lows over here. There it is. Here we have a daily level. If the price breaks all this low over here, something like this, probably we are going to see a retest and another down movement. This is to euro to Australian dollar, and we think that probably this scenario is much more likely because with the correlation with pound to Australian dollar. And this is the analysis for pound to Australian dollar. First, let's see the picture from the last week. This was on the daily time frame. Okay, as we said here, we were expecting that the price will make a head and shoulders pattern. And look what the price did. Exactly the same. This was very strong pattern. This is very strong pattern because here we have a very strong up movement and the price is reaching the weekly level. And here we had a confirmation to enter in some trades, but we were expecting that the price will make some retracement on the lower time frame. And let's see what it happened. Here we have an impulse wave, a retracement, another impulse wave, and another retracement. And now the price is making a consecutive point on a 4-hour trend line, a pushback from Fibonacci with a divergence, and there is very good chance that the price will make a very strong down movement. It will break this low and probably it will reach this daily level right here. Then some retracement, probably another consecutive point and another down movement. But this is for this week. We are expecting the price to break this low over here and some retracement. This is the analysis everything shows that the price is gonna go down. There is nothing for long positions right now, but we are gonna see. Because, as I told you, we have a strong news week on Thursday and on Wednesday, and we have to be careful. Okay, Euro to New Zealand dollar. Let's see the picture from the last week. It was on the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Well, the price was just right here. We said that we are expecting the price from this impulse wave to make a retracement to sound the levels of Fibonacci, and if we see some candlestick formation, we are gonna enter in short positions because this is the impulse wave, a retracement, and there was a chance the price to go down. But look what it happened. The price here didn't give us any confirmation, and the price made a new up movement, new impulse wave. What are the expectations from for the next week? Here we have an impulse wave, a retracement. Now the price is making another impulse wave and a retracement. This candle is after the news today, so there is a chance the price from here with the candlestick formation see another up movement, just like this. But if we take a look on the higher time frames, let me just clear this one. Okay, this is on the daily time frame. Here we can see that the price is making a strong impulse wave, and we are expecting to reach this levels of Fibonacci, probably level 50 or 61, and another up movement from here. The other option is if the price made a very strong down movement to this lows over here to the weekly level, probably we can see a breakout on this weekly trend line, probably retest and another down movement. But for now, the price is showing us that it will make a retracement and it will continue to go up. Okay, let's move to pound to New Zealand dollar. Let's see the picture. Okay, this is the arrow. We said that if we see here the candle to close like this, we are gonna expect the price to continue to go up, probably to this highs over here. And look what the price did. It closed like a morning star pattern, and it went up for around 220 pips. This is a very good movement. And later last week it made another retracement just like this, and this is some range right here. This is some side movement. This is on the daily time frame. If we take a look on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is an impulse wave, this one as well, and this and this, and there is a huge range also on the 4-hour time frame from here to here. So there is a chance that this range will continue for a little bit longer. And earlier today, when I made my analysis, I expect that the price will continue to go down again to the trend line. And from here, probably we can see some up movement. This is what we can expect. First, probably we are going to see a down movement to this low over here. Then maybe we can see another up movement from here. This is for pound to New Zealand dollar. And let's take a look at the gold. Let's see what we expected last week. Yes, it was on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, as you can see, the price was over here. Our expectation was that the price will reach the 4-hour trend line, and from here we can see very strong up movement. Well, you can see what it happened. The price almost reached this trend line and it made the very strong up movement as we are expecting. Okay, what are our thoughts for the next week? As you can see, this strong impulse wave. Now this is a retracement. We already have a divergence here. We have an impulse wave and a retracement to the level 61.8 on the Fibonacci retracement. And here the price reached this trend line. So everything tells us that the price is gonna make a new bullish impulse wave. First, it will hit this high over here, then probably it will break it and will reach minus 27.2 on the Fibonacci retracement, which matches with this lows over here. And if the price closes like this, like an engulfing candle, big strong engulfing candle after 2 hours, there is a good chance that the price will make the strong up movement as we expect. Okay guys, this was the analysis for this week. I hope you like this video, and if you do, hit the like button and you can share this video with your friends so more people will understand what the price is making. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.